This is an unboxing of the Shure MV7 Plus podcast microphone from Shure. It has a USB-C connection as well as an XLR connection. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. You can pull out the entire package. And then inside this inner container, we have the contents itself. We have some welcome card from Shure that talks about the Motive Mix app, as well as a quick start guide. Underneath the protective casing, wrapped in plastic, we have the Shure MV7 Plus podcast microphone. You can see here, this has some weight underneath the plastic. On the back, we have XLR as well as USB-C and headphone monitoring. All of this seems very well built and sturdy. Has a nice hefty weight to it and moves around easily yet stays put. If I remove the windscreen, we can see the grill of the microphone. I'll put that back in and we'll set that down to see what else is in the box. Under here, we likely have connectivity cords. We have a USB-C to USB-C cord. There is no XLR cord inside the box. Most of the time, you'll probably be using USB-C when you are out and about, because then you can use all the onboard digital signal processing of the Shure MV7 Plus podcast microphone. It also has LED strip on the top for metering your sound and recordings. So hopefully this gives you a sense of what you're going to get in the box for the Shure MV7 Plus podcast microphone.